Hey guys, it's me from the future. I didn't like my original introduction, so you're getting this one. In this video, you're gonna watch me 3D design Greninja and 3D print it and paint it, and you'll get the finished design at the end. I had a lot of fun doing this. I did this all from memory, meaning I haven't seen what Greninja looked like in a very long while. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Smash that like button and enjoy. That's our foot. Okay, so now I can duplicate that. He looks like he's falling. So one thing I know about him is he's got this tongue that wraps around his neck or something, like a scarf. Okay, so it's done. This is it. Okay, so the hands fell off and the ears fell off while I was taking it apart. And I realized, like, I think he had like a ninja star and also like tufts of hair. So I'm just gonna make these now and super glue it. And we'll see how it turns out. Alright, those are the extra parts. Cool. Okay. It's time to paint this sucker. So I'm pretty sure he's blue. I mean, I'm almost 99% positive he's blue. So I have blue. I just bought blue. Now I just let that dry. Then I think I really know. So we're gonna put light blue here for him. We're gonna say that he has light blue wrists. That looks good. He has light blue wrists. He probably has light blue ankles too. No, you know what? We're giving him light blue knees. He's just gonna be like a Power Ranger, basically. I think he is kind of like a Power Ranger. He's humanoid, right? So humanoids are Power Rangers. And his eyes. Right, so we gotta paint his eyes. He's got white eyes. I mean, all Pokemon have white eyes. And then I think this tuft
Is it white? I think it is. Okay, so this is white actually. Yeah, this is definitely white. And he definitely has this here. This is starting to look familiar. Alright, so this is his tuft of hair. And it's white. I don't know if he has a beak or not. I think that's black. Like he has a black nose. Maybe his waist is black? I think his waist is black. So let's do his waist black. His like butt area is gonna be black. That's definitely black. Okay, yeah, for sure. That's black. I know he's a frog type Pokemon. So you just have to think about frogs, but he's like a blue frog. So frogs have tails and they have black waists. He might have a little bit more white. Like I think actually he definitely has white. So he has white stripes on his arms. Yeah, that looks right. He has these white racer stripes on his arms and on his legs. Right? Okay. Very carefully. So we don't want to, like, because it's such a different color, we have to make sure it doesn't really get anywhere else. Because he's mainly blue and white, like a frog. But his tongue is pink. Because it's a fucking tongue. Okay. Keep going, and the tongue, it wraps around his body. So for the longest time, I always thought this was a scarf. It just bothered me that it was his tongue. But everyone sees the tongue right away, but I always saw it as a scarf. That looks right to me. Right? And this is definitely black. I forgot about this in my original print. I think it goes on his back, but I know he could take it off. So I'm gonna make him hold it.
Okay, guys. So here it is. Oh, that's my YouTube channel. Look, 4,000. You can't look at this. All right, I'm putting it away. We're going to Google. So here it is. Here's the finished product. This is my Greninja. You see, he has the star there. That's pretty cool, right? Everything's like flipped right now. Look, you see? And we got the tongue, and it goes around the back. And I have this little thing so he could stand. So that's him, freaking Greninja. So I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller, and we're gonna see how I did. I think I did pretty good. I know, like, I remember, like, he definitely had white on the toes, and his thing goes on the back, like his ninja star. But like, I had to print it out later because I forgot about it. So I know he could throw it. So I gave him the ninja star, and I don't know. I think it's gonna be good. I think I, I think it looks great. His eyes are a little bit wonky though, but I'm pretty sure that's what it looks like. A little bit less humanoid, maybe more frog-like. I mean, it kind of looks like. Oh my god. It looks like a weird, obscene Mega Man, kind of. But that's what Greninja is, you know? He's Mega Man. Okay, so I haven't. So today's the next day. I had to go to bed by the time I finished painting and letting it dry. But I haven't looked up what Greninja actually looks like yet. So this is gonna be my first look up. And I really, look, you can see all my search history. How to smooth. Look, it's how to make a pyramid in Blender. Camera keeps, I'm terrible at, I'm still learning everything, so obviously. I'm gonna get better at it. I actually learned something really cool that I could have used like to smooth out the tarn. So here it is. I'm gonna look it up and see how I did. So green Greninja. Let's see. Oh, you see, I knew he had yellow. I knew he had yellow. I actually bought yellow. Dude, this is totally him. You see, I was so right. I knew he had like white stripes, but it was actually just white circles on his shoulders. That's him. And it's yellow, so this is supposed to be yellow. I thought it was blue. Tongue's right. His eyes I got wrong. And his head. He does, you see, I knew it was like a fin type thing. Like a little, but I had it completely wrong. And he only has two, apparently. Two on his feet. Does he have a tail? I guess I was thinking he has the ninja star when he's the Super Saiyan Greninja. I don't know if that's evolved Greninja or not. Does he have a tail? Yeah, look, you see, I think he has. Look, he does have a tail. So I got the tail right. Like you see, tail was right, and it was white on his shoulders. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm satisfied. I think I did a really good job. His face was so wrong. He had yellow here, and his nose isn't like that at all. I gave him like a beak. I'm happy with it. I'm keeping it forever. I'm gonna do another one. I think Greninja's popular. I wanted to choose it because like I knew he was gonna have details that I couldn't remember. Because he's kind of, he does have details, right? I wanted to do, obviously Pikachu's gonna be the most popular, but I feel like I've seen Pikachu so often in my life that I would do a really good job with Pikachu. That it would be perfect. But I think I might just do Pikachu. I'm gonna do another one, but Pikachu might be involved in one of them, or maybe Raichu. I want to do a popular Pokemon that I'm gonna like. Charizard, I feel like I can picture in my head pretty easily. I don't know. Give me an example. Who do you want me to see? If anyone watches this, um, hit like and subscribe. I guess you gotta give the call to action. So this is it. Here's my Greninja, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya when I see ya. See you.